So this is gonna be like a modified unboxing video for the Lowrance because let's just face it, I already opened the box a long time ago. And I've been looking at this thing waiting to install on the boat since I got it. And so the first thing that I pulled out is the new head unit. And immediately I noticed that it wants me to register and gives me a little thing to register it online. Awesome, that's cool, we like that. As far as the outside of it, it's basically two wires that hook up, and one of them's the power wire and one of them's for the transducer. Very simple. I've already pretty much mapped this out. Power cord, basically. I have a red and black on the end of that. And on my battery, actually, I already have some terminals, so all I gotta do is just hook these two up. Now, this is a major thing I want to talk about here. Immediately, and I don't like to necessarily put companies on blast here. We're trying to be impartial. But out of the box, Lowrance came with way more stuff. Humminbird, kind of weak. First of all, I got stickers. Everybody knows stickers make boats faster. And I got stickers here, Lowrance stickers, to put on my boat. And I'm gonna put them on my boat, and that's how it's gonna be, and everybody's gonna know what I got for electronics. Humminbird, you didn't have 50 cents to send me a sticker to put on my boat. Lowrance sent me 2 stickers. So right there, $500, I got 2 stickers. I'm super happy. I care less if I catch a fish now at this point. But installation hardware. Lowrance sends me an inline fuse. Guess who didn't send an inline fuse? Just sent wire to hook up. So I gotta go out and get extra stuff. Another very short-sighted thing, Humminbird. And I hope that you watch this video. I am going to send it to you so you specifically know about all these things that I have got for you. And I hope that your customers watch this video too, because this is a big differentiator in the product between the two brands. Immediately. So, very basic instructions here. I got like 1 page of what I need to do, and dash installation instructions, which we're not going to do, and real basic instructions on how to use it. And that's basically it. So all we got to do, we have a new transducer to install, which is a tank. I mean, I'm not really sure what if this is a transducer or some kind of a medieval weapon, or let me know in the comments what you think this looks like. I can't wait to hear what your comments are on this. This is the longest transducer I've ever seen in my life. It looks like an anal probe. To be honest with you, this is gonna be, there better be a fish anal probe, because for the amount of money that it costs, I better be able to catch all of the fish in the lake. So, the bracket is completely different. It is a completely different bracket from my other one. Now, because I want to run these in tandem, we have kind of a consideration to make here. If I put both transducers in the same spot, I'm gonna get signal bounces from both of them in different areas. So what we're actually going to probably do is mount this on the other side. Yes, I know I'm not supposed to do that, but we're going to. We're going to switch how we mount everything just for this video, and we'll switch it back later. So I'm going to go ahead and get my drill bit and line this bracket up per the manufacturer's instructions, and I'll be back at you.